Okay, guys, so today we're going to be talking about box plots, and we're only going to talk about a little bit of box plots, and tomorrow we'll finish it up and put it all together, okay? Because box plots are a little bit more complicated than all the other graphs. So I'm going to start with my steps that always, my first two steps on all of these, read the problem and all your answer choices, and then identify what is being asked, okay? So in box plots, we need to identify what the minimum is, the maximum is, the median, and the range. Okay, so these are the four things we're going to find here. And then tomorrow we'll talk about interquartile range and that. And then we want to identify which statement is true. So it's just like the dot plots. We're going to go through the statements and we're going to see which one is true and which one's not. Okay, so first we need to know the minimum. We know minimum, that means it's the smallest point. So it's the point at the very left of the graph. So my minimum down here is always going to be here. It's going to be this very first point on here. Okay, and this is called a box and whisker plot because these kind of look like whiskers coming off the box. So this minimum is always going to be at the end of the first whisker. Maximum is the biggest point, so this is going to be at the point at the very right of the graph. So on my other whisker, my right whisker over here, the maximum point is at the very top, whatever the biggest number is. My median is the middlemost number, and in a box plot, it's represented by this line in the middle of the box. It may not be just in the middle, it may be over here, skewed to the left or skewed to the right, okay? But it's wherever that line is in this box, that's the median. Okay, and then I have the range. Just like on dot plots, we are going to subtract our minimum and the maximum. So subtract the maximum and the minimum, and that gives you the range. Okay, so the box plot shows data about test scores for two classes. Which statement is best supported by the information in the box plots? Okay, so these are both of them. So we want to go through. The median score is less in class 2. So the median is the line that's in the middle of the box. They're in the box, okay? And if the median score is less in class 2, that would mean the line would be lower down than in class 1. But these are equal, so I know it's not that one. The median score is less in class 1. Same thing, they're equal, so it's not going to be that one either. The median score is the same in both classes. We know that. The median score is 5 points greater in class 1 now, so it's definitely the same because the lines are right on top of each other, so they're going to be the same. Okay, and that's really all there is to it, guys. Let's do a couple more. The box plots show data about time students spent studying for a science test and a math test, science and math. Which statement is best supported by the information in the box plots? Okay, so let's look. The science median is greater. So if I look at the science median, that's my median. And then my math median, this is my median. We want to look, if this one is up here higher, it's at 6, and this one's at 3, then yeah, the science median is greater, okay? Let's look again. The math and science medians are equal. They're not put together, so they're not equal. The math median is 1 hour greater. That's not true, because this is, the math median is lower. The science median is 2 hours greater, and that's not true either, because they're between 6 and 3, so it would be 3 hours greater. So it's A. Okay. And then we're going to do one more. The box plots display the final exam scores for 2 7th grade math classes. Which statement is best supported by the information in the box plots? Okay, same thing. The data for Miss Bryan's class are more symmetrical than the data for Miss Riley's class. So let's see. If it's symmetrical, that means it's pretty even. Our median would probably be in the middle. Okay, and our whiskers would be pretty same. Okay. So Miss Bryan's class is more symmetrical. I don't think this is symmetrical. Look at how long that whisker is compared to that one. And my median's all the way over to the right instead of in the middle. Okay, so I don't think that's true. The median score in Miss Riley's class, so the median score in Miss Riley's class is less than the median score in Mr. Bryan's class. So that's true. That's less than that. So let's keep going. Let's check the rest. The range for Miss Riley's class is greater than the range for Mr. Bryan's class. Okay, so Miss Riley's class starts at here, let's see, 91, 92, 93 over here. And then over here, it's 81. So I'm doing 93 minus 81. 93 minus 81. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 12. So the range for Miss Riley's class is 12. That needs to be greater than Mr. Bryan's. Mrs. Bryan's. Mr. Bryan. So let's see. 96, 97, 98. So this is 98. And then this one is 81. Okay, so 98 minus 81. 8 minus 1 is 7. 9 minus 8 is 17. And that's not true because Mr. Bryan's class is 17 and Miss Riley's class is 12. Okay, so it's not that one. The median score in both classes are equal. And that's not true because they're not right on top of each other. So it is B. The median score in Miss Riley's class is less than the median score in Mr. Bryan's class. Okay. And I think that's it. Yep, that's all we have. We'll do the rest of box plots tomorrow. Guys, today I want you to catch up for your work. I want you to catch up on anything that you have missing or need to get done, okay? Because I want you to do an assignment on all of the box plot stuff all together after we go over it tomorrow. So catch up on your work. You have time to get it done. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye.